Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Akimi bin Harun Rasid. I'm from Bachelor of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Technology in Process and Technology with Honor. My supervisor name is Technologist Muhammad Faizal bin Halim. The title for my PSM1 project is Critical Sustainability Factor for Selected Manufacturing Process. The content that we have in this slide is background, problem statement, objective, scope project, literature review, methodology, and the last one is expected result. So we go to the background first. Sustainability has ideological, political, ecological, and economic context in the sense of human development and environmental stewardship, and it is most widely used as a derivation of the term sustainable development. It is divided into three categories, which is environmental, physical, and social. Sustainable manufacturing consideration a number of aspects and their interaction across three dimensions: environmental, economic, and social. We go to the problem statement. The manufacturing process is complicated and varied in character, causing harm to the organization's environmental, economic, and social well-being. Because of that, industries require a set of indicators to enhance the sustainable manufacturing performance of their manufacturing process. An indicator set is defined as a collection of character indicators that together form a complete picture of sustainability. Next, we go to the objective of this project. First objective is to identify the sustainability indicators. The second one is to conduct survey using the Delphi method. The third one is to conduct analysis data by using ANOVA method. And the last one to validate critical indicator with experimental or simulation. The scope of this project is the selected manufacturing process in this study only involve injection molding process. The next one is the Delphi method only conducted in 3 companies with 3 respondents in each of the company. Next, the literature review. Here we have 3 citations. The first one, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD Toolkit). OECD Toolkit defines the term sustainability manufacturing refers to a fresh and innovative manner of doing business and producing value. The second one is from US Department of Commerce Sustainable Manufacturing Initiative. It is highlight that the production of manufactured goods that reduce negative environmental consequences, preserve energy and natural resources, are safe for employees, communities, and customers, and are economically sound. The last one is from National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. NIST defines that the classification of indicators is based on 5 pillars on sustainability, which is environmental stewardship, economic growth, social well-being, technological advancement, and the last one is performance management. This is the list of the sustainability indicators in NIST. But in this project, we only focus on 3 dimensions, which is environmental stewardship, economic growth, and the last one is social well-being. Next, we go to the methodology. This is the flowchart for this project. The first step is to indicator selection, to do the indicator selection. And then go to the next method, which is the Delphi method. After evaluate the result, go to the next step, which is validation and ANOVA analysis. And the last one is by critical sustainability indicator. The last step is to to list the critical indicator that we have been analyzed from the validation. So we go to the indicator selection. In this step, we have to choose appropriate indicators to achieve the sustainability goal, such as energy consumption, CO2 emission, and eco-toxic chemical effluent. The second one is to indicators are chosen on a variety of criteria, including the type of the product, the type of process, the final reporting format, the budget, the permission necessary, the market, and the availability of time. The third one is concentrate on the injection molding process. As we mentioned in the scope project, that this project is only concentrate on the injection molding process only. And the last one is the NIST indicator is used to pick the critical indicators in this process. Next, we go to the Delphi method, the stakeholder selection and survey structure. In this step, distributed to the three different companies, each of them with one stakeholder. The stakeholder might include a manager, executive, supervisor, or operator. The survey structure will be divided into two different types of stage. First is round 1. The stakeholder will be given questionnaire with the selected indicator, and the second is round 2, which is the stakeholder shortlist most relevant indicators from the previous stage. In the round 1 stage, questionnaire will have a list of all 31 NIST indicators. The stakeholders were instructed to prioritize indicators better able to provide relevant information on what, in their views, would be critical indicators for sustainability in the process. The stakeholders were also asked to associate each selected indicators to a broad performance aim. After the collection of feedback, the data will be analyzed and the proposed indicators from the stakeholder will be included in the next questionnaire. In the round 2 stage, the stakeholder will be questioned on the indicator shortlist. It requires stakeholders to highlight the indicators that are able to provide insight on the most critical indicators in the injection molding process. The result can be done when all the stakeholders are agreed with the content of the indicator in the survey. Here is the example of the survey that will be sent to the stakeholders. This questionnaire is about the importance of sustainability manufacturing indicator for environmental stewardship. The next method is validation by using ANOVA analysis. This method is used to compare the means of various samples to determine the effect of one or more factors. The next one, it can prove which of indicators are the most critical to sustainable manufacturing process. So we go to the next method, which is critical sustainability indicator result. So in this process, the result from the ANOVA analysis have to be listed, and there are at least 5 indicators that are critical. The expected result from this project is to determine the most critical indicators the industry need to sustainable the manufacturing process. By doing so, the production system or product will be sustainable and we will give advantages to the manufacturing process. I think that's all from me. Thank you.